guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a whiskey advent calendar to show you guys. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So I actually came across this advent calendar. I didn't have any place around here that was actually selling them that I could find anyway. So I found a place online that would deliver, and I bought 3 of them. Well, I bought 2 for me and my man just so we can try them together and we're not having to share one of the little bottles. Like we can have a full shot instead of a half. So I went ahead and grabbed 2, one for him and one for me basically. And then I also got one for our employee as part of his Christmas gift. So I did buy 3 and it was $105. So divided by 3 would be $35 each is what I paid. And then shipping was like 20 something dollars on top of that and all that. But these came to about $35 each. So it is the Ole Smoky Tennessee Moonshine. It's 12-day calendar and I'm really excited. One time my man actually found a little, it was a strawberry and cream or something, and it was really good. So I wanted to try other flavors, and this is a great way to try out all of the different flavors in one little kit. So let's go ahead and dive in. On the back, it does go over every single one that is inside, and it tells you, which one's in there, but we're gonna find out when we open them day by day. So let's go with the first one, number 1. They're the punch door style, and it feels like there's a bottle right here, so I can't like push down like you're supposed to. Yes. They look like they might have shifted in time. So this one here is apple pie. There's 2 that is repeated. There's 2 of 2 different flavors, and I believe this is one of the repeated flavors, but here is apple pie. Number 2. Ooh, this one here is a banana pudding. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try that one. We have banana pudding. Now we have blackberry. This is the second one that is in doubles. So yesterday I went ahead and opened his so we could try the 2 that were doubles at least. So we tried the apple one. It was a little sweet for both of our likings, to be honest. And I normally like sweet things and he doesn't. Neither one of us, I mean, it was okay, but we didn't really care for that one as much. This one here tasted like a tea. Like it tastes like a blackberry tea. This one was really good, really smooth. So just want to at least tell you those 2 flavors I've tried so far and the strawberry one from before. But there's the blackberry. Now we'll go with number 4. This one I'm actually really excited to try too. This is the butter pecan. I'm like just so excited for these little things. And you see why I had to buy 2 then? Because I didn't want to share half of this, like one little sip. No, thank you. You can have your own, I'll have my own. This one is what I'm most excited about, because once I had the strawberry, I saw that they have an orange cream. This one's called Orange Shine Sickle. And I'm going to put the cream ones in the refrigerator, the banana, this one, the strawberry, and have them that way. But I am a huge orange creamsicle fan. So that one is really exciting to me. Number 6, we are halfway through. We now have a sour raspberry, like a sour, like raspberry. Number 7. And I'm excited about this one too. Sour watermelon. I love a watermelon. So we have a sour watermelon. This one here is strawberry, just a regular strawberry. This is not the strawberry cream I was telling you about. So this is a regular strawberry. 9. This is the strawberry cream one. And I'm so glad to be able to have this one again, because the first one that I tried was super good. This is like a creamier, like these you can see are like a clear. These here are like a thicker, like a creamier consistency. Number 10. So now we're probably gonna go to the duplicates. Oh, not just yet. This one here is White Lightning. That one's probably gonna be my man's favorite, because again, he's not a huge like fruity or like sweet. He's into just like standard. So I'll probably give him that one with his other one and take like his orange or something. I'll swap them probably. Okay, so here is, oh wait, this is the banana pudding. I got 2 banana puddings in this one. Huh, that's weird. His had 2, I already told you, 2 blackberry and 2 apple pie. This one, I'm glad I have an extra banana pudding. I will not complain about that one. So let's see what the 12th one is then. The 12th one here is apple pie. So this one is 2 apple pies and then 2 banana puddings. So that is super cool. So there are, well, here's 8 out of the 12 4 still in front of me, but I'm so glad again that I bought 2 of them so him and I can just try them together. And I love this brand. I've tried, you know, a few things before, so I'm really excited. So I just wanted to tell you that they have this. If you never knew this was a thing, you can check your local stores to see if they have it or try to find someplace online. The one that I found is no longer selling them. When I went to go to the site to see how much it was, it said they were no longer available. So I had to go to my order and saw that I paid $105 for 3, divided it, so that's how I know. But the company that I ordered from, maybe I bought the last 3, I don't know, but they are now sold out. So I'm super glad that I got it. I didn't even know that they did an advent calendar. I know I've done a wine advent calendar before, so this was really cool to do a whiskey advent calendar now. So let me know, have you tried this brand before? Have you tried any of these flavors? Do you have a favorite? Let me know down below. I would love to hear from you guys. I do actually have one more advent calendar that is coming. When I placed the order last week, it said pre-order and the free thing came already, but my actual advent calendar has not shipped yet. So you will still have one more advent calendar for this year. I thought I was done, but nope, I had to grab this one and I had to grab another one that I've never done before. So stay tuned to that. I'm really excited because again, I've never done that brand before. That will be hopefully coming soon. Hopefully it'll be here before Christmas. If not, I mean, you'll see it as soon as I get it. There you go. If you like to see other companies learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and comment down below. Again, your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.